So it just...
That's weird. Oh, it's Google.
I couldn't get past it.
And I'm going to reset Google. That's weird. Let's get rid of all this stuff. Stop laughing at my allergies! Stop laughing at my allergies, dude! What am I saying? Family claims to see aliens after several reports of something falling from the sky.
It is a police call.
3 hours
we'll be
ago.
talking about. Thanks for joining us here at 6 o'clock. I'm Denise Valdez.
I'm Brian Loftus. A family says something crashed into their backyard, prompting them to call 911, saying they saw creatures walking around.
Our 8 News Now investigators digging into this for weeks now. And tonight, our David Sharns with the video you will only see on 8 News Now.
Yeah, the grip on this thing sucks ass, chat.
Honky should ban a chat member at random.
No. Bless you, no, bless you for being so patient with me, chat. It's this door. Is that the end of the game or something? It doesn't have one? Cool, that's fine. That is all good, my man. Thank you. No, bless you. No, bless you. You're all blessed. Okay, now where was he before that I said like, oh, that's where we're going next? Where did I say we're going next? Communication. Communications. Thank you, chat. Bless you too. Maybe you'll say, blessed up. Aim a score community. I'm legit known in the community. Sorry, sometimes I sneeze when I talk too much bullshit. You know? Sometimes it's hard. Literally choking on my own words. Legit. Do I like the game? Best game I've played all year. What's your favorite game of this year, chat?
As you know, the Iron Kingdom rules over the islands to the west of Storm. Or rather, its church does. But this is not the pragmatic approach.
What month is it? It's like June.
Yeah. Oh, this one's an easier boss.
I kind of feel like it's not. Oh, we're owning.
Get the one on the right first. Oh my god.
Well, it's mainly for the achievement of getting the sword undead, like not really anything else, yeah.
Covered in nicks and lumps, a lot of them.
Ah! Tham
What's
Show,
the most
thank you so
charitable?
much for your follow, man.
They're
Oh, no
getting up
sub.
to
Thank
date
you,
with
Tham. Sorry,
a
I
lot
thought
of
it was
the
a
rules
follow.
that other
Thank you.
websites have in place, including YouTube. Embedded third-party sponsorships and ads in YouTube content. YouTube creators cannot include promotion, sponsorships, or other advertisements for third-party sponsors or advertisers in their videos where YouTube offers a comparable ad format, including, but not limited to, pre, mid, and post-roll ads, aka you shouldn't be allowed, according to YouTube, to have a 60-second ad that you burn into your video that talks about, I don't know, Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons and how they have bad drift. Apparently that wouldn't fly. But if you've watched YouTube for more than a week, you know that does fly all the time.
Yeah.
So I think it's some sort of policy that YouTube puts in place to punish groups of people that might be cannibalizing too much of their ad sales because they're doing it at scale rather than punish creators. And this is a more charitable interpretation because this basically means
Starfield when it comes out. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god. Oh, let's see if my package came. I am so sick of my life having fucking allergies. I am sick to death of it. Dude, I'm gonna chop off my fucking face one day. I swear to God, I'm gonna chop off my fucking face. I'm getting so over it. I've been sneezing like this my entire existence and I'm over it. Yeah, you know what we need to get rid of is just general fucking allergies. Apparently there is a thing you can do for allergies, but it sucks ass and I can't be bothered. You get like injections of the thing that you're allergic to over time and it takes some time and then you get rid of the allergy, kind of like a vaccination, I guess, but I ain't getting that shit. That shit's wild. I ain't getting that shit. Like, that's too much. You know, I'll just sneeze. Being sniffly and sneezy is kind of my brand image these days, you know, or for my entire life. And since everybody's ever known me since the beginning of time, women love it. Women love a man with allergies, believe me. You just be sneezing and they want to look after you, cuddle you, and suck your dick. So, you know, I just be sneezing and stuff, you know. You know, crazy.